Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, we will discuss some more data types in MS Access using which we can create any table as per our requirement. So in my first video of MS Access, I explained about the data types text, number, data time, currency, auto number, yes or no, and rest of the data types we will be discussing in this video. So let's get started. So here as you can see, this is a design view of a table which is already I created here with the title called student table, and the field name is roll number, data type is text. As we know that text means we can input any digit or character, and this field content is not suitable for calculation purpose. It is only to display the content in the field in numeric as well as in text format. So text allows both numbers, characters and alphabets up to 255 characters. Student name as text instead of joining as date or time. Photo OLE object, this is the new one which we did not discuss in my last video and we are going to discuss in this video. Hyperlink, basically this option is used to create a link to any file or a folder, so that accessing of that particular file or folder will be easier and faster. Attachment, attaching any document or anything to a field. So save this design, double click student table, and this is the table view. I'm going to input some text using the alphabets, characters and number. As I told you, we can input alphabet, special characters as well as numbers. Next, student name, date of joining, some date to select. Here, how do we add a photo? Whenever you select data type as OLE object, you will have to right click on that particular cell and then use the option insert object. Do right click in that cell, select insert object, do a proper right click, insert object. So a photo, obviously we used to save it in our system somewhere in our computer. So create from file, click on browse, choose the location, select any image, click OK, select the link. So by selecting this option as link, so whenever you make any changes or replace that image with the new image, automatically it will also get updated in this MS Access table. Use display as icon, click OK. Documents, how do we attach the documents? Let us see. So whenever you come across this type of documents, and I have selected for this hyperlink, I have selected. So documents attached, I am going to do right click again here, select hyperlink, edit hyperlink. I am going to give some link to a folder, and this is an example. It's just an example. So I selected this, right click, manage attachments, add. I am going to attach some document, click OK. So as many as attachments you can add here by clicking on add, click on OK. So in this way I have created a record. So whenever I want to see the image, double click, I'll get the image displayed on the screen. Similarly, to open the link, single click yes, I'll get the linked file or folder opened. Attachment, double click, select attachment, open. This is how you can open an attachment. Click on OK. So in this way we can use the data types called OLE object hyperlink attachment. Now let's see how can we use. Let's go to the product table design view. I'm going to use the total and the data type would be calculated. So here I am interested in calculation part. So unit price, double click unit price, automatically it gets added in this box into quantity. Click OK. So this is the calculated field option. Control S, close. Now normally open this product table, then you will see field with calculated numbers 35 into 25 like that it got here. So as and when you add some record, new record here, automatically it will get added with the number calculated. So this is about the data type calculated. Now let's get into the design view of student table again. I'm going to use the another data type, address. As I have already told you that text data type can accept only up to 255 characters. If I need a particular column which can accept more than 255 characters, then I have to select memo. It can accept more than 255 characters. Large amount of characters it can save in it. So that is the use of memo. And another data type is lookup wizard, where I can create a list, drop down list. Using this data type I can create a drop down list. So I'll select, I will type the values that I want. Click next. So I've selected one column here. I'll type the values. Click next, finish, Control S, close. So open normally, type address and choose the course. So this is how you can create a drop down list. Hope you understand what exactly the list of data types used for text, for giving the input in numeric as well as special characters as well as numbers. Next, memo. For more than 255 characters length of text, we use this memo. Number for numeric entry, date and time for date and time, currency for number with along with the currency symbol, auto number, automatically creating a number as and when the record is increasing in a table. Yes or no for checkbox. OLE object for photos or images to be linked with the linked in a column. Hyperlink for creating a link to the file or folder. Attachment to attach any particular file in a column. Calculated means for performing any calculations and adding it as a column. Lookup wizard for creating drop down list. Hope you understand this video and concepts we have discussed in this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Please do like, share and comment for more videos. Thank you.